Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today when I came home, I saw these four big used boxes on my step, and guess what? What were in those boxes? Yeah, my new wheels for the M5 came in. Oh, I'm so happy. I've been waiting on those for a long time, and I had to crack one open, and trust me, it was worth the wait. It was too long, but it was worth the wait. So one day I was at work and I'm thinking, man, the dollar is so bad here in Canada. By the time I get some wheels from the US, it's gonna be so freaking expensive. So I was just, roaming around, and I said, I wonder if anybody will do any form of sponsorship or anything, or a partial sponsorship. So I reached out to 305 Forged and also ESR. They both got back to me, and I really like the ones from 305 Forge, and they decided to do a partial sponsorship, not a full sponsorship. So I still have to pay some money, but not as much as if I had to buy them straight out. And trust me, any help when it comes to the dollar value is worth it. So we're back and forth, and I tell them what car and the size, and they check out the YouTube channel and say, yeah, we like what you're doing, and we wouldn't mind doing it to help build the brand, because they've been around for a while. They used to make, they still do make wheels for other companies. And if you go to Mod Bargains, they carry this stuff. But they decided to start bringing out a line of their own, and I saw the wheels and I fell in love with them. And so I reached out to them, and we talk, and then we decide, and then just the waiting game. And now they're finally here. But no more talking. Let me show you what they look like. There she is, looking good. Man, just look at the detail in this thing. Oh my lord. So look at all this here. All this, as they say, it's a weight saving. You try to eliminate as much metal as you can. So this is one piece, and then the whole barrel is another piece. So it's not, a quarter barrel in there. The barrel is all one, and then the face is one. So that's why it's a two-piece. 21 by 11. I think it's plus 30 offset. And the front, I think, is 21 by 9.5. I can't remember. It's been so long since I bought these things. But man, whew, I just love this thing. And make sure it doesn't roll away, because the last thing I want to do is chip it. To protect this bad boy, guess what I got? Because, last thing you want is to have a rim like this and got all the brake dust to stick into it, right? So what I got here is Adams wheel coating. So this is a ceramic coat just for wheels. So I splurge on this a bit to get to protect the wheels. So I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna clean them up, put this on, then I'm gonna take them to the shop and mount them to those nice big 21-inch Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's that I got. Yeah, baby. She's gonna look good, and it's already lowered, and it's gonna grip too. It's not just for show, baby. It's for show and handling. And this is only the beginning. This one is for the rear. This is the 11-inch, and look at the width of that thing. I mean, that is just wide. Imagine when I put those 305s on there. I'm like a little girl right now. I just can't wait to get it on the car. Well, here we have my man Alex putting on my rim for me, because I wasn't gonna try this myself. And yes, some of you are gonna have something to say.
Of course.
But you know what? Uh-oh. Don't be licking that. There are a bunch of crazies around here, I tell you, but they know what they're doing.
He likes licking other things too.
Oh Lord have mercy. Here we go. Remember, it's a family program, boys.
Oh yeah.
But he's the only guy I trust to put on my tires, because I don't know.
Speaking of tire, where's the tire?
Oh, let me grab the tire. Well, because this one is a 305 25, not much sidewall, so this one is really hard to go on, but he got it down. He did the first one already. It took him a little bit, but he always gets it done. You just like it wet, don't you, Alex?
I do. The wetter, the better.
Oh, sloppy, yeah? You like it sloppy?
I do.
Makes it look easy, eh? Now comes the hard part. This is where it gets hard. See, this machine, like you were saying, is not made for this special kind of wheel. But we gotta work with what we have. Right, Alex?
Yes, sir.
It's all about the lube.
If you attempt
She's
not
on.
to put lube and not do that, you will never get this tire on. Ever.
So that's why you like it sloppy, eh, buddy?
The wetter the better.
Oh, look at those things. Now comes the balancing time, and trust me, he's gonna hide the weight behind so nobody's gonna see any other weight. Let's see how much it's off, but 1.25 and 2. After he finished mounting them, I brought them home and I cleaned them up. And now you get a good look of what they look like with the tires on. Not much rubber. I'm gonna have to be dodging potholes, but just look how beautiful these things look. I just want to get them on the car, but there's other stuff I have to do first before I can get them on the car, but they'll be going on pretty soon. Oh, trust me, I'm glad I went 21. They look so good. I can't wait to get them on the car, but like you guys see, I went to Champion Motors. Those guys specialize in North American cars, but man, that vet that you saw in the picture, it was pushing about 800 horsepower or close to that. That's just crazy. And they have ones that's push over 1,000. Like I see Street Speed 717, you know, his vet takes forever. These guys buy the vet and within no time that thing is pushing 1,000 reliable horsepower. Those guys are good there, but that's a whole nother story. But as you can see, my man Jigga, as I call him at Champion Motors, hooked me up. That man know how to mount a tire on a rim. No scratch, no nothing. He did those, they're good. Now he balanced them. We painted out all the weights black, brought them home. Now I just can't wait to get them on the car, but I have some other stuff to do to the car first, and trust me, I'm itching to put these things on. The other Frank is itching. Just try one on, just put one of the back ones on. Nope, because you put one on, you're gonna put the rest on. But I can't put them on yet. So I'm gonna put a link to the 305 Forge website. You guys click on there and contact them. I'm trying to work out a little thing where maybe you guys can get a little discount and thing, but it's kind of hard because they're still trying to they're still up and coming, trying to do their thing. So it's kind of hard to get any discounts for now, but I'll keep working on them. But they have many designs there and there. They have monoblocks, they have 2-piece, they have 3-piece. Check them out. They come in different colors and size and offsets. Mine is the rear is plus 30 and the fronts are plus 28. In case you guys want to get in it for an M5, but that's what they sent me. I haven't fit them yet, but I'm sure they're gonna fit good. But enough rambling for now. So the next video you're gonna see of these wheels is them going on the car, and I can't wait. So stay tuned for more, and just stick around because it's gonna look damn good. Laters.